Hello beautiful people, welcome to another video. You know that feeling when you just want to treat yourself to something special for dinner? Not just any meal, but one that fills the house with an irresistible aroma and make you excited to eat. Well, tonight we are making a feast: fried rice, spicy peppermint, and a creamy coleslaw. Every great meal starts with great ingredients. I can still remember the first time I made this combo. It was on a lazy evening, craving something bold yet comforting. So I grabbed some fresh beef, vibrant veggies, perfectly cooked rice, and of course spices that will wake up my taste buds. Stay with me guys from the beginning to the end of this video, and I am going to be showing you how to make this yummy dinner. It can as well serve as lunch. If you have any question, do not forget ask in the comment section, and I'll be more than excited to reply. To tell a story, this one will be all about warmth, flavor, and satisfaction. The fried rice, golden and fragrant; the peppermint, rich and saucy; the coleslaw, cool and refreshing. It's not just food, it's an experience entirely. A perfect mix of flavors, texture, and memories waiting to be made. I take a step back, look at the plate, and smile. Dinner is ready! And just like that, we've turned simple ingredient into something special. This is more than just a meal. It is a reminder that good food brings people together. Make us slow down and let us savor the moment. If this made you hungry, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much guys for watching. I am gonna see you in my next video. God bless you and I love you. Bye guys.